Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Ana Luisa double unboxing. What I like about Ana Luisa is their jewelry is water resistant and the jewelry doesn't turn, and Ana Luisa give you a 2-year warranty. This is the first item and this is how the packaging looks. These are the Jody earrings. They are super cute. I love the look of them. And next, I'm going to try them on and put them in my ear so you can get a better view. This is how the earrings look up close and personal. They are lightweight. I'm going to turn. They are super pretty. Turn on the other side. These will make an excellent gift. This is how the second packaging look. These are the second pair of earrings. The name of these earrings is Scarlet Two-Tone. It's in two-tone metal. This is how the earrings look on me. Tiny and cute. Your loved one would definitely love these earrings. I'll leave my link down below in the description box where you can say 25% off your order. Remember, the more you shop, the more you save. And let me know which pair of earrings is your favorite. Thanks for watching.